Welcome back. Now that you have a business name and a domain name, let's get your business banking set up. You need to formally register your business with your state so that you can ultimately open a bank account in your business name. New York City has a lot of resources to guide you through this process. First, you'll need to choose a legal structure. Corporations, limited liability companies, and limited partnerships register with New York State, and general partnerships and sole proprietorships register with the appropriate county clerk. In the student activity, I include a link where you can learn the details of these different business structures. Once you pick one, you'll apply for an employer identification number, your EIN, also known as your federal tax ID number. And finally, you'll need to register as a sales tax vendor with the New York State Department of Taxation in order to sell products or services in New York. The link I'm sharing to you also explains insurance for business. I recommend that you get insurance for your business to protect you from loss, lawsuits, or fines of any kind. Once you have your business registered and an EIN number, you can open your business bank account. Check around with different banks to see what they offer you in terms of business accounts. Some offer free checking and low monthly balance minimums. Once you have your account numbers, you'll be able to link your e-commerce payments to your business banking account. We'll cover setting up your shopping cart in Lesson 10. For the assignment, over the course of your class, you will build a PowerPoint deck that will be a roadmap for launching your online business. You can use this presentation to explain your new business to a variety of people, from potential investors and employees to your family and friends. It will also be a helpful tool for you, the business owner, to refer to as you build your business and create your brand. The good news is, I have created the template for you. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. For your first assignment, you will be naming your business and choosing a domain name. Fill out the slides for Lesson 1. Thanks for coming to the first class, and good luck with your assignment.